So now let's see how we can go ahead and apply out the spacer block inside of wordpress.com. So here in the editing area, I'm just going to go around over here onto, let's say for example, in between these two blocks right here, just like this, and then I'm going to go ahead and search for spacer for that. Once I go ahead and insert out the spacer, you can see that it's simply a space that I can add in. I can go ahead and increase out the space right here as well, just like this, and change around the location of the space right here. So you want a blank space right here somewhere, then you can simply go ahead and utilize this spacer block right here. Let me just go ahead and preview this, and you can see that this is the spacer that is there. I can go around, change around the height around over here as well, and I can also go ahead and change around the margin for this particular spacer right here. And this particular spacer is simply blank, and it's just meant to be added in there to add in space, as the name suggests. And that is how you can utilize the spacer block inside of wordpress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.